Samefa mu enko eche bebre a ne ye ko eche kakra bi akọ 2024 ebra na ye beto aba no na ya ye di eche anase ya ye follow ye during campaign na amanyokwa hodo bebre na ye no na Ghana fo bebre na kasa kan nsem bebre ese instead say anka amanyofo yi ebemo moni akoboko entokwa cheni a ekoso oboko no ombemo moni akohu no ma solve said ebe ya asumdie ebetumi edi hini wo ho no omo enye sa na emom said ebe ya Ghana fo ebeto aba ede amom no mbe daada Ghana fo enu hu na ehia omo enti we nyina eka hu bi that time no na yesusu say enu nyina eka hu because those times no pa na galamsey demonstration etimi eyi ni ti epieye enti na se yekoto aba na NPP fo elusi ye no na in conclusion no people were saying say the factors were galamsey and afa boku conflict esan say NPP aban ewo so ana boku conflict no ehya ase na ehya ase sa no omo so omo ntimi anye bibia amfa ho amma santokwa ambrase kopem say abato no edru so a Ghana for say change must come any ombe system na aban foforo aba na ono so abeto aso na o ma hwe say ono ne ba ene eboko ntokwa no etu ebetwa na Dr. Bawumia aba be kasa oni say de makacho say this is the time MPP aban and I say party bi ewo opposition na so omo trend ankasa ene da bia se foforo every MPP side eba na si ano recent happenings happen ewo MPP amanyoko ni mu ene say si ano team Ken campaign Team Bawumia campaign Team Brian so campaign asan so ana team Yawaduchum obia no modern gidigidi pa jaso na Team Bawumia campaign ya oye na odin sembi etu jawabra woni manfo bi edi nkomo no wo kire se ene Ghana fo bi no ma mode monsa kire ne so amo kansembone fa ne ho kansembone fa ne yire ho te se ensem bebre na amo kase won sem fata so oye Ghana ye president no mo amo kasa ansemi na matna se adwen ho ye de question Dr. Bawumia ebisamo esan say emre bi etwem ane e beto aba no Ghana fo binum ejina ntokwa ekoso oboko esunti ema aba no manto ama MPP ma MPP edi ntwo se poto na ya to aba na wie change must come okay change has come NDC for aba NDC for eba ye ne den anomaye still na boko ntokwa no egusu ekoso a ntokwa ni na omususu se tribe bi a omo honom tribe mienu ana kuntokwa ewo boko nom Dr. Bawumia etrema na say so far no de wa realize nyina ene say na boko entokwa na ekoso emprempren ye egusu a ekoso gidigidi no eno enye factor enam so ema NDC fo elusi ye enti no amanyofo binum a moba ye ene NDC communicators a after election mo ba montin ebeka say de enti Bawumia elusi nyina ene say boko ntokwa na ekoso ewo ho no as vice president and as a flag bearer no where to me anye bibia amfa ho enu nti na olusu ye no Dr. Bawumia say de mo kani na say no kre ba kokra enim entro ana mo de sense NDC for ba ya omo be bibia fa ho no mapem so still na atokwa na ekoso ebusa enti Dr. Bawumia ansem.
As we prepare to go into the primaries, I am very, very concerned and troubled that some of our presidential aspirants have embarked on a religious and tribal bigotry and propaganda against me in a desperate attempt to win votes. They totally ignore all the data and findings about why we lost the 2024 elections and want to mislead the delegates and the party with such propaganda. The one such issue that has come up, and I think it's important for all of us to know, is the Mamprosi Kusasi conflict. An aspirant has said that delegates should not vote for me because I am a Mamprosi man, and that we will lose votes in the Kusasi areas and other areas. This is very unfortunate and demonstrates a complete lack of understanding of the situation on the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, since 1965, there have been 11 elections in Ghana. Since 1965. And the performance of the MPP in the our tradition, in the 6 Moku zone seats, there are 6 seats in the Moku zone. If you look at it, the performance is as follows. In 1965, our tradition had 0 seats. At that time, I was only 2 years old. I had nothing to do with it. In 1969, we had 2 seats. In 1979, under Victor Usu's leadership, we had 0 seats. In 1996, we had 0 seats in that area. In 2000, we had 1 seat. In 2004, under President Ford, we had 0 seats. 2008, we had 1 seat. 2012, under President Akufo-Addo, we had 0 seats. 2016, we had 2 seats. 2020, we had 1 seat. And 2024, we went back to 0 seats. What all the data is saying is that out of the 6 seats in the MPP, out of the 6 seats, the 11 elections, MPP has 0 in 6 of the 11 elections. So this is not an area that is a stronghold of the MPP. In fact, into the whole Boku zone, the 6 constituencies put together, we lost just 30,000 votes in 2024. So you can't lose, it is not the Boku election that made us lose 2024. And we need to be very clear about that, that the data shows that the Boku factor was not a factor in the outcome of the 2024 elections, that we should stop moving in that direction. And
Sema or de ebeto montin nyina ene say election now mukoye no anasa abatuo 2024 abatuo no mo amoba abontin beka say election de nti MPP Lucy nyina ene say boko entokwa no egusu ekoso omo ntumi ambre na se no Dr. Bawumia say mu nyina moboa ntro na mudi esan say NDC for ebaye no bosome nkunumu ana omokoi na bosome watwi ya abesi atwam yi bokun tokwa na egusu ekoso His Excellency John Dramani Mahama atrai bibia opem so say agosiaga omo try say omo shout some of the radio stations are omususu say omumienu anase sa radio stations no ana cause this conflict no omo try so omo shouting it down na so still na entokwa no eguso ekoso asojafo a police for omo so omo nyina no still na agosiaga into no election results na ba abonten ma moka say Bawumia ebisa so pe big gap Ghana former and big gap na mode sire ni say I want a big gap na mode amano no enya no kre kiti say kra big gap no de mode amano mama mo fa nkwhye say boko entokwa no esan say enka hu bi esan say some of the strongholder kita MPP no last year election no say who follow election ye pa dia na who follow map ni ya utimu say MPP for mo stronghold ni bi ono ma ndi ambo omo they say omo to aba no editia omo NDC for no ejefae ana stronghold ni bi nso a kita NDC for nso no kamia koye say omo soso emuche mienu a omo do omo kodom MPP no nti no election ankasa no na akoye dynamics kakra ewo mu eno ana Dr. Bawumia afede wabe why kuro nani ameye hu se sama mbeke kan ye ana galamse even though ana say ye nyina say ye adwen ebe koso a yenim say galamse de ken factor because ye papa Akufo-Addo ebe free so no enkofo bebre na ene abrochirefo a omo Ghana for Asia no mo citizens wo abrochire omo nyina ka omo hu bomu ye demonstration kese power abochime ma na omo nsem anaso omo su nyina ene se galamsey no ayeye te se be ya omo ntwa so esan se eno ebeka ho bi anombeto aba no de tia MPP for ni nyina eka ho bi e ma Ghana ha se nsuso ya ne ye wa ha yesu yehu de ekọọso ma bi mo kra print anaso mo koye nsuo a te se mo de galamsey nsuo yi bi egum ejina kwan ho a omo ton pure te yesoso a omo chezesi ano yen saase ni yensuo nyina ase nsuo we ni ye benom ene that time no bi pipe a echen coating enye ize ni nyina eka ho bi ansa na omo de boko de no ebe frafra ye ma Ghana fo binum ebe ka se boko ntokwa no eto ntwa de an te se Ghana ase no enya de ombeto aba no de ama MPP biem MPP free so fine any si baye omo ntumi anya hwe ama se mpo de America for ena bochifo ibi se Ghana ase no ebetimi akoye nim de a je se boko entokwa na enei yentumi embra no na egusu a ekoso no wo se etimi bibi fa ho na entokwa no eto etwa enti Dr. Bawumia ne tintin ne short nyina no ene se o se boko ntokwa na enye factor mamu fa nka ho bi tama ne ye beto aba no sa na mo kan ya to aba na wie it's still the same enti munyin free mu afa de mo mamoni enkoso na afa no mo ndwe hu ye na mo hu nipa on the 31st of January no sa MPP for enum ya o ma twamuti apie a omo ye campaign gidigidi pa a obia nsem eba mountain ene ebi mu kra nya MPC bia omo ye interpreters de ma omo ene social media no so no eso aye de ankasa enti no say we ye hia president anase flag bearer or rich ideas enye de ne bottom nko na ye rich anase ne bank account mu nko na ye rich de ne ideas mu nsusu mu pine mu do enti Ghana for mo hu de esi o makwa kwotena akire o mayo mu omo corrections o mo hu mistakes are in the past 8 years and I say in the past years or MPP for eba ban mu o betena so a na mu dide no o mo hu mistakes nkitinkiti bi a o mo ye ya ambo Ghana for nta fe de o makwa akoye o mo correction o ma back enti we no enye den ba o mia wadi kan ba first one ama ma try no ma assassine ye wakọ afede o sa pese o mbra biem ene se ja MPP fo bi no ma kire se yesu ye pese ye stand bi a o munyina atwa mutie pinte be ya Ghana fo focus on nko an ne ho na ne o mo to aba no emfa ma no na primacy ye be koso yi oni kan wo akansi ni mo na flag bearership no onfa NPP for enko 2028 ni mo no ogidi se MPP sanso ebe bounce back biem asa aba bedi o mine so biem